While clearing out her late grandfather's study, Claire finds an old typewriter with a sheet of paper still loaded. Curious, she taps a few keys, but the ink ribbon seems dry. Nothing appears. As she prepares to leave, the typewriter clatters to life on its own, keys striking rapidly. When it stops, she leans in to read the freshly typed message. "I see you, Claire." Her blood runs cold. No one knew she was there. More words begin to appear. "Don't turn around." Ignoring the warning, she spins around. No one's there. But when she looks back at the paper, a final line has been typed. "I asked you not to." The keys jam suddenly, spelling out a single word over and over. "Run."